5 seconds. At the summit of Mount Washington, it was
southwest overcast. Temperature was 37 and the wind was northwest at 29 miles an hour. Orange, cloudy at 52. Highs in the up to 30. And Thursday night,
was cloudy and 50.
highs in the lower 60s.
Cloudy and 52.
Lows around 40.
Heavily cloudy and
Friday.
52.
Seas in the
Boston was
40s.
cloudy and
Thursday,
53.
northwest wind 5
Cloudy and 52. Elsewhere, Portsmouth was partly. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine
activated the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct the required monthly test. With this required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
Emergency alert system. The p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Another block of your favorite.
The National Weather Service.
Don't worry. There is a...
With Decision 2024, listen for real-time results and updates as the votes come in. From key races to national trends, our team will cover it all. Stay connected on the go with your free iHeart Radio app. Just search
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has activated the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct the emergency alert system.
to the gym to the kitchen. Your next customer is listening. And not only can we get your message to your audience, we can
It's interference, but it's there. So as we wait,
High pressure moves offshore Monday with a warm front lifting through New England around Tuesday. Very warm conditions return around Wednesday before a cold front brings a cooling trend the second half of next week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
sent us an hour ago.
commercial vehicles, any tire brand. Paul Sullivan reminds you once again.
Black Friday is now in all this month at Sullivan Tire.
Order for Jennifer C. Is this my
Emergency alert system.
And the floor shall be full of wheat, and the fat shall...
Under the New Hampshire emergency alert system. National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has activated the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct the required monthly test. It concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
Just head to AutoZone or AutoZone.com.
The free iHeart app does everything because it's always on your phone and ready for whatever you're in the mood for.
Has activated the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct the required monthly test. It concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
HEB. I heard that. Well, I heard that. Alright, that's it.